This is the Soqool laptop stand, which offers some added convenience value to your laptop, such as a metallic construction for durability, a comfortable angle for extended sessions, and wide compatibility for a variety of laptop sizes. So let's open and set it up. Setting up is simple, just take the contents out and put it together with the included tools. It's very straightforward. Once done, have your laptop resting on it. You will immediately notice the room for airflow it gives you so your laptop is not baking itself. This is great especially if you're using your laptop in an environment with little airflow or it's just plain hot. The angle also gives you a more comfortable position for your wrist so you're not aching. At the same time, even if you just want your screen higher for your eyes or neck, you can and even still have the option to use your own keyboard. Overall, the Soqool laptop stand can only help you. Enjoy! As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own laptop stand. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.